Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can possibly get or download modded apps on your Android or on your iPhone. Yeah, but before we continue, please, this video is just for educational purpose. Please, this video is just for educational purpose. This is a disclaimer I'm just giving. Is just for educational purpose, please. So just like the way I said earlier, I will be showing you today how you can possibly get modded apps for your Android and then your iPhone. Modded apps are applications that you have to pay before you access or install, or that have to run advert before you can be able to use them. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can download premium apps for free. I will be showing you how you can download premium apps for free, like all these applications that you have to pay before you can access the full version and the rest. So in today's video I will show you how you can get them for free, all the paid apps for free. So all what you need to do, please, you have to watch this video till end. You have to watch this video till end. Please, it's very important that you watch this video till end. If you do not watch till end, you will not understand what I want to teach you or to show you today. It is a very simple trick to get modded apps for free. So guys, here without wasting much time, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you are watching from Facebook, please do well to follow us and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of content, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright guys, let's head to the full tutorial. So the first thing we're going to be doing, you have to open your Play Store, then you have to go to Telegram. Yeah, I know you'll be surprised, why are we talking about Telegram? Yeah, don't worry, this is a step-by-step trick that I will be showing you today. So guys, this is our Telegram. If you do not have Telegram, you have to install and create an account. If you already have, make sure you are updated or the application is updated. So here I've already updated my app, and then here we open like this. Very simple. So guys, here is my Telegram. So the next thing we're going to be doing, very simple. Here we click on the search icon. So you have to click on the search icon, and then you have to search for this particular group or channel, which is Apex. Okay, Apex APK. Apex APK. Okay guys, sorry, you have to search for APK hex. Okay, APK hex. So guys, as you can see, we have many of them here. So what we're going to be doing, let's go with the first one, official, and then we'll also have the mode. So let's click on the official. So on this official, guys, as you can see, we have Remini. We have Remini application. It is a modded app. You can get it for free without paying anything. Also, we have the APK mode games. We have Terabox mode APK, and also we have this application is also for free, and then this application also it is for free. And we have the Adobe Reader, we have the selfie AI, and then we have the Alpha browser, we have the Robo, we also have all backup restore mode APK. So, and then it is very simple that you can also search here. For instance, let me search for one application like WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp. So guys, we have autoresponder for WhatsApp. We also have autoresponder for WhatsApp. We have X player mode APK. We have send anywhere. So you can search for any application from here. So you have to join the group. It's very simple. Don't forget the name is APK Hex. So you can quickly join. Let's go to the boot, and then you can also join the boot. Then you get more benefit and offers from there. So guys, this is how you can be able to download APK files for free. This is how you can be able to download APK files for free. So if you are unable to get some applications from here, please drop a comment on the comment section, then we're gonna bring it to you on this channel or Facebook. So here guys, we have the new AI mode APK. So more application, PixArt mode APK. So we have thousands of application in here. We have thousands of application in here. So you just have to make sure that you join the group, and then you'll be getting more update every day. Please, if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and then you subscribe and follow us on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye bye.